About my passion and what makes me unique from the rest of the artists, perhaps destiny dictates that my success will be shifted to arts instead of succeeding a corporate career. I left Philippines 30 years ago focusing only to alleviate families' economic situation. Realizing a different environment where life is laid back, I patiently dedicated my free time diverting to constructive activities for a worthwhile life, a means to get away from the monotony of work and living life as OFW in a very strict and conservative environment. All I wanted is to paint in my own way and style and not having to go with the standard of arts, because I never had the chance to be formally educated in this particular field. So I honed my art skills depending only on God's given talent, because I never had the formal background exposure or in arts, being a business management graduate. I singularly enhanced for over 18 years of experimenting in my own particular style. Because of my fascination and love of nature, I was led to develop artistic signature style or statement in classic contemporary semi-realism approach called naturalism. Naturalism is described as neat usage of colors and strokes, resulting to paintings that has elements of surprise with strong visual and colors. It is often confused with realism, a true-to-life of art which focuses on social realities and observable facts rather than the ideals and aesthetics. The purpose of beauty of God's creations, the ingenuity in every piece of my arts, for us to learn the virtue of living in this world. In the school of fishes, those swam into different directions, the butterflies and the flock of birds that flaps toward a significant matter. The roses, blooms, and in colors vary. In capturing this nature's beauty imparts a hidden message. Our individual differences make us uniquely important subject. May it be in every piece within the arts I create. To my fellow Negrenses, we are all nature lovers in reality, and all we need is to continue to nurture, protect, and preserve God's gentle creations.